Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the space where we explore the intricacies of relationships and connections. I'm your guide through the fascinating world of love. Today, we've got a compelling topic on the table: the unmistakable signs that you should never let go of a woman who does these incredible things for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our heartfelt content. Now, let's jump into the heartwarming details. Segment 1. Consistent support through thick and thin. One of the first signs that you've got a keeper is when she consistently supports you through thick and thin. Whether you're riding the highs of success or navigating the lows of life, a woman who stands by your side, offering unwavering support, is someone you should cherish. Segment 2. Genuine interest in your passions. If she takes a genuine interest in your passions and pursuits, it's a clear indication of her deep connection to you. A woman who actively engages in conversations about your dreams and supports your endeavors is not just a partner, but a true companion on your life's journey. Segment 3. Thoughtful acts of kindness. Thoughtful acts of kindness are a powerful signal. When she consistently goes out of her way to surprise you with gestures, big or small, it reflects a caring and thoughtful nature. These acts of kindness create a bond that goes beyond words. Segment 4. Encouragement for personal growth. A woman who encourages and supports your personal growth is a gem. If she motivates you to reach your full potential, celebrates your achievements, and gently guides you through challenges, she's not just a partner, but a catalyst for your evolution. Segment 5. Fostering open communication. Open communication is the foundation of a strong relationship. A woman who encourages open, honest conversations and actively listens to your thoughts and feelings is fostering a connection built on trust and understanding. Segment 6. Respecting your individuality. Respecting your individuality is crucial. If she acknowledges and respects your unique qualities, quirks, and personal space, it's a sign that she values you for who you are. This mutual respect creates a healthy and balanced dynamic. Segment 7. Shared laughter and joy. Shared laughter and joy are essential ingredients in a lasting relationship. If she brings laughter into your life, creating moments of pure joy and happiness, it's a clear indicator that she's not just a partner, but a source of genuine happiness. Segment 8. Acts of thoughtfulness in everyday life. Acts of thoughtfulness in everyday life demonstrate her love and consideration. Whether it's making your favorite meal or remembering the little things that matter to you, these acts speak volumes about her commitment to your happiness. Segment 9. A willingness to compromise. Compromise is a cornerstone of successful relationships. A woman who willingly compromises and collaborates on finding solutions to challenges is invested in building a partnership based on understanding and mutual benefit. Segment 10. Demonstrating empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding are key traits to treasure. If she consistently demonstrates the ability to put herself in your shoes, offering a listening ear and compassionate support, you've found someone who values your emotions. Segment 11. Nurturing a healthy intimacy. Healthy intimacy is a crucial aspect of a lasting connection. A woman who prioritizes and nurtures the emotional and physical aspects of your relationship is showing a commitment to building a strong and fulfilling bond. Segment 12. Celebrating milestones together. Celebrating milestones together creates lasting memories. If she actively participates in commemorating special occasions and achievements, it's a sign that she envisions a future filled with shared successes and joyous moments. Segment 13. Remaining loyal through challenges. Loyalty through challenges is a testament to the strength of your connection. If she remains steadfast and loyal during tough times, you've found a partner who values the relationship over temporary difficulties. Segment 14. A willingness to apologize and forgive. Apologizing and forgiving are vital skills in any relationship. A woman who acknowledges mistakes, apologizes when needed, and forgives with a generous heart is fostering an environment of emotional growth and resilience. Segment 15. Planning for a shared future. A woman who actively plans for a shared future is someone invested in building a life together. Whether it's discussing long-term goals or making joint plans, this forward-thinking approach reflects commitment and love. Segment 16. Creating a safe and supportive environment. Creating a safe and supportive environment is a gift. If she prioritizes your well-being, both emotionally and physically, and ensures that your shared space is a sanctuary, it demonstrates her commitment to your happiness. Segment 17. A willingness to compromise. Compromise is a cornerstone of successful relationships. A woman who willingly compromises and collaborates on finding solutions to challenges is invested in building a partnership based on understanding and mutual benefit. Segment 18. Demonstrating empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding are key traits to treasure. If she consistently demonstrates the ability to put herself in your shoes, offering a listening ear and compassionate support, you've found someone who values your emotions. Segment 19. Nurturing a healthy intimacy. Healthy intimacy is a crucial aspect of a lasting connection. A woman who prioritizes and nurtures the emotional and physical aspects of your relationship is showing a commitment to building a strong and fulfilling bond. Segment 20. Celebrating milestones together. Celebrating milestones together creates lasting memories. If she actively participates in commemorating special occasions and achievements, it's a sign that she envisions a future filled with shared successes and joyous moments. So there you have it, 20 heartwarming signs that you should never lose a woman who does these incredible things for you. If you've experienced these gestures, consider yourself lucky and cherish the love you've found. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more uplifting content. It's been a pleasure exploring the beauty of love with you. Until next time, take care and keep the love alive on Wonderful Relationship. If you resonated with these signs, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more heartwarming discussions on Wonderful Relationship. Until next time, spread love and kindness.